We got our new brake shoes, so we're going to put those on. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and pull the back wheel off. We'll take this cotter pin out first, and then crack this nut loose. We have 3, and then we're 1 above that. So. Alright, so to take the tension off your chain, you just have to spin this piece here, like that. And you can slide it forward. We'll do it from the bottom here. That's out of the way. Now we want to take our bolt out. My tire's off the ground here, so we're going to lift up on the tire a little bit with our feet. Should have paid attention to how that came apart on the other side. So we have the chain off, we have the bolt out, we undid the bar that connects to the brake pedal, so we'll let that flop down, and now we just pull our rear tire off. There you go. Again, should have paid attention to how that went. Now the plasti dip never really stuck on this wheel, it just never took good, so I was going to redo it, but you might as well wait until you put a new tire on, because they're going to screw it up anyways with the mounting and balancing. So we're going to go ahead and pull it off. I'm gonna get a rag and clean all this up, and then we'll clean up the inside, put it back together, get the new ones.
Yo, do you really have to do the ads on the free up? Great club. That's such a good club for the.
Alright, so they snap back into place.
My second entire fucking world. Because it's them just like, you know, any woman who's.
So skipped a bit of filming there, but we put the bolt back in. We haven't tightened it yet, we haven't adjusted the chain tension, so that's what we're gonna do now. We'll just get the bolt all the way in and go from there. So we went 1 dot tighter on the chain, just wanted to do that anyways. Alright, so we got it put back on. We got the chain, you know, 1 adjustment tighter, and reconnected the brake lever. We'll probably have to adjust this, you know, make some fine tunes, but as you can see, the brake pad wear gauge is way back in the full, and, you know, as soon as you touch the brake pedal now, it'll lock right up. And we couldn't lock our tire before, so. There you go, brake shoes replaced on the rear of the XT225.